This triangle is the base, and the volume of this prism is the area of that base multiplied by the height of the prism. Height of the prism is the distance from one base to the other base. And that distance between bases, the perpendicular distance, is 5. So the area of the triangular base, for a triangle, is 1/2 times its base times its height, multiplied by the height of the prism, which is 5. For a triangle, the base and height have to be perpendicular sides to each other. So 7 and 10 qualify as the base and the height. And so our answer is that the volume, let's do this without a calculator, 1/2 of 10 is 5, 5 times 5 is 25, 25 times 7 is 175. 175, and this is volume